welcome back to my channel. She is me, and yes, I am she, and I'm here to do a makeup tutorial for you guys for beginners. I'm still a beginner myself. I use like Family Dollar products, LA Colors. I know everybody know about that. Dollar Tree, hair store, because I'm still learning this myself. So if you have any pointers, any tips, just let me know what I can do to make this better. Like I said, I'm still learning. I'm not here to be, trying to be a makeup artist, but I like having a good beat, okay? And this looks good on me. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm still learning, and I think I'm doing pretty good. So like, comment, subscribe, share it, and let me know what you think. So let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna do is put my face primer on. Like I said, just a little bit around the face. So here, 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 and around. Spongy. Need a new one. This is my second one. I'm gonna take my foundation, which is my Magic Collection. It says at the hair store. Some concealer, and this one is, what does that say? Sophia, I think that say. I just try to get it like as close to my skin as possible. I don't want it to look like a whole different color. You know, some people want to teach its own, but for me, I want to be a little more natural to my skin. All right, so I'm putting some on the sponge.
Little dab, little dab, little dab. Let's do that over. Okay. First, I should show you first before I even blend this in. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now, when it comes to eyebrows, I don't like mine that way. So I just smooth them out. I try to make mine as natural as I can. So, I'm going to try to just fill it in a little bit. I don't know, maybe eventually I will start doing it that way. But right now, I like them like this. I have to arch them a little bit. And that's about it. That's all I have.
From right here. So I have this. I have to get some other one to try. I'm gonna use the brown because I'll be wanting to be had a little darkness right there. And it's coming. And this wig that I'm wearing is by Sensation, I think it is, Tresse. Okay, so real quick about this hair though. So, this is one of my favorite pattern wigs. Here's the problem. She is a really tangly, and she does shit like, what's her name, Shining Bright Star, another YouTuber, she said that, and it really does, like, no kidding. I love this hair, and I done cut it about 5 times already. Like, it was like down to here on me, like down to here, and I done cut it. I just cut it again, like not too long ago, because it's like tangly, like every day. So again, like I said, just a quick little beat. You know, however way you want to do it, you can do it. Give me a couple of pointers. Like I said, I'm still learning. And it's still a little more blendy, a little more, I'm not going to say complete natural, but it's blendy. It's definitely good enough. And let me know, like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. And let me know what you think. Until later on when I do my next hair tutorial, Good Judy, that will be coming next week. So I will see you then. Bye-bye.